Olá! So, let us learn the Portuguese alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. I just want to say that there are some letters that you will see in Portuguese keyboards or when you write or when you read Portuguese that are not included in the alphabet. Those special characters, for example, the C with a cedilla is called, with that squiggly thing underneath. This we don't include here. And also when a letter has the tilde, we don't include it in the alphabet. Okay, so basically those letters are just considered as variations of some letters of the alphabet, like the A or the O, etc., or the C. I also just want to add that W can also be called as W, and the Y can also be called as Y. So bear that in mind, that you might hear it differently if someone else says it or whatever. So note that this is just the normal way of how we read the names of the letters, but as I said, letters have variations and they also have different sounds. So for example, an A can be open, as in la, or closed, as in para, or even reduced, as in cama. You see, like the last A, it's so reduced. Sometimes it even seems like you don't hear it, right? So I just want you to bear this in mind, that it may happen that an A has one pronunciation in one word and another different pronunciation in another word. This was a part of my free course, Kickstart Your Portuguese, The Basics. This course is all about teaching you the very basics of Portuguese, and at the end you'll be able to introduce yourself so you can start speaking Portuguese as soon as possible. If you're interested and you want to check it out, I'll leave the link below. And yeah, I hope to see you in there. Beijinhos!